But if you're new, then welcome. I hope that you decide to subscribe and hit that little bell, so I'll be popping up in your subscription box like every weekend if you'd like that, maybe. So I am really happy right now because I think that I stepped up my YouTube game about at least 1 to 2% because I finally have a tripod. Gone are the days of me having to use books and boxes for makeshift tripod. Yeah, it was really ridiculous, and I've been having to get this. It's long overdue. But don't worry if you are still in the stage of having to make a makeshift tripod. That's totally fine. I've been there for quite some time. And see, the thing is, I thought that tripods were like super expensive, and I just never used to really go out to see how much it actually is. But reason why I mentioned that I got a tripod is because I got a really great one for a great price, and I actually got it in Gulf City Mall in First Priority Music Store. And so if you are looking for a great tripod on a budget, then definitely check it out. So we are in the month of February, which is the month of love and all things Valentine's. Like, this video is about excuses that people make for not getting you a Valentine's Day gift. So I wouldn't lie, I probably made one or two of these excuses myself, and just a disclaimer, this is not meant to offend anybody. It is just for comedy purposes, so I'm sorry if I offended any of you all, but it's really just a video for fun. So if you want to see the video, then let's go. Number 1. Forgetting to buy the gift. Babe, honestly, like, I didn't even know today was Valentine's Day. I honestly forget today was Valentine's Day. That's why I forget to buy the gift, because I kind of forget today was Valentine's Day. I didn't even know today was February 14th. Like honestly, I didn't know. Number 2, claiming it's a recession. Babe. So, you know how we're kinda in a recession right now, that's why I didn't buy a gift, right? Love you. Number 3, having no job, therefore no money. Babe, you know, like, I just like, I'm not working and thing, and finances kinda like low, and I don't have a job, so I couldn't get a gift. But we cool, right? Number 4, being too busy at work to have time to buy the gift. Babe, okay, so you know how this week was like real busy in work. I was just like so busy working. It's just like, I just couldn't buy a gift, right? Number 5, claiming to forget the gift at home or in the car. Babe, I have your gift. I have it. I have your gift. Don't worry, I got it. I just forgot it in the car. Like, you'll get it when we just go back in the car, right? Roll it up. Are you ready? Tip time. Just remember, Valentine's Day isn't about girlfriend-boyfriend relationships or husband-wife relationships. It's about showing love for everyone that you love. So if you happen to be single for Valentine's Day, it's not the end of the world. You still have people to celebrate it with. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. So bye. No pienso en otra cosa. Ella es sencilla y parece una diosa. La forma más hermosa que vi. Te regaló una noche.